If your emails are not showing in your Gmail inbox, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it. This is a simple step-by-step guide that can help you find missing emails, check the right Gmail folders, and remove filters that may be hiding important messages. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, the easiest thing to try is refreshing Gmail. Sometimes your inbox just needs to reload before new messages appear. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and R. If you're on a Mac, press Command and R. This will refresh the page and may instantly bring in any missing emails. If your emails still are not showing up, the next thing to do is check the folders and tabs where Gmail may have placed them. Start with spam, because sometimes Gmail sends important messages there by mistake. Then check trash in case an email was accidentally deleted. After that, look at the promotions tab, the social tab, and also all mail. All mail is especially important because it includes every message in your account, even if it is not in the main inbox. Now, if you still cannot find the email, use the Gmail search bar. This is one of the fastest ways to locate a missing message. Type in the sender's name, part of the subject line, or a keyword from the email. You can also search for specific terms like the company name or a word you remember from the message. Gmail's search tool is very powerful, and it can help you find emails that are buried deeper in your account. If the email is still missing after that, the problem may be caused by a filter. Filters in Gmail can automatically move emails, archive them, mark them as read, or even delete them without you noticing. To check this, go to mail.google.com and sign into your account. Then click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. From there, click See All Settings. Once the full settings menu opens, go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you can review every filter currently set up in your Gmail account. Look carefully for any filter that may be sending emails away from your inbox. If you find an incorrect filter, select it and remove it. This can immediately fix the problem if Gmail has been routing messages to the wrong place. After deleting the bad filter, go back to your inbox and check again for the missing email. In many cases, that is all it takes to solve the issue. If needed, refresh Gmail one more time so the changes update properly. So to quickly recap, refresh Gmail first, then check spam, trash, promotions, social, and all mail. Use the search bar to look for the missing message. And finally, review your filters and remove any incorrect ones. These steps solve most Gmail inbox problems very quickly. If this tutorial helped you find your missing emails, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful Gmail and email fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.